Chapter 4 Animals of Extreme Climate Cold Region Animals Leopard seals are powerful predators found in the icy waters of Antarctica. They have a thick layer of blubber to keep them warm and are known for their agility in the water. These seals primarily feed on fish, squid, and even other seals. Musk oxen are large, shaggy-coated mammals that survive in the Arctic tundra. Their thick fur and strong hooves help them withstand freezing temperatures and harsh winds. They live in herds for protection against predators like wolves. Walruses are large marine mammals found in the Arctic, known for their long tusks and thick blubber. Their tusks help them break ice and climb onto land, while their blubber keeps them warm. They mainly feed on shellfish found at the ocean floor. Narwhals are unique Arctic whales known for their long, spiral tusks, which are actually extended teeth. They live in cold waters and rely on breathing through small ice holes. These deep-diving mammals primarily feed on fish and squid. Caribou, also known as reindeer, are large herbivores that migrate across the Arctic in search of food. They have specialized hooves that help them walk on snow and dig for moss and lichen. Their thick fur provides insulation against extreme cold. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores found in the Arctic region. They have thick fur, a layer of fat for insulation, and large paws that help them swim in icy waters. These bears primarily hunt seals for food. Hot region animals Camels are desert animals adapted to survive extreme heat and water scarcity. They have humps that store fat for energy and can go days without drinking water. Their long legs and thick eyelashes protect them from hot sand and sun. Iguanas are cold-blooded reptiles found in hot and humid regions, such as tropical forests and deserts. They regulate their body temperature by basking in the sun. Their strong tails and sharp claws help them climb trees and escape predators. Gerbils are small rodents that thrive in desert environments by burrowing underground to escape the heat. They can survive with minimal water by extracting moisture from their food. Their long tails help them maintain balance while running. Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes that live in hot and arid climates like deserts and grasslands. They use their rattle as a warning signal to predators and prey. These snakes regulate their body temperature by seeking shade during extreme heat. Many spiders, such as tarantulas, are well adapted to hot climates, living in deserts and dry regions. They dig burrows or hide in shaded areas to avoid overheating. Some desert spiders, like the camel spider, are nocturnal hunters. The addax is a rare desert antelope found in the Sahara, adapted to survive with little water. Its light-colored coat reflects sunlight, keeping it cool in extreme heat. Addaxes feed on tough desert plants and can go long periods without drinking water.